In our next report, we find out how 22 parents of special needs children from across the country today benefited from a one-day support group workshop.
Director of Disability and Rehabilitation Service attached to the Ministry of Public Health, Dr. ARIANE MANGAR, said the workshop targets mostly parents with children who have microcephaly. This is a condition in which the brain does not develop properly, resulting in an abnormal smallness of the head.
And it consists mainly of mothers who would have had children with microcephaly. I don't know if the public knows, but in Guyana here we had at least 20 children born with microcephaly. So this is a lifelong disability these children will go through. So with that, we are trying to support the parents with that. The outcome is just to give them some support, because having a disabled child is a hard task. To cope with that every day, you have to do everything for that child in a lot of cases, and that could be very frustrating and hard on parents, and not only financially but emotionally. So today we're giving them the emotional support.
Parents welcomed the program, explaining that it will assist them to cope and understand ways to better care for their children.
Well, I have my friends. I explained my problem to him, and he's telling me that there is a rehabilitation center in Georgetown and that we should come, and that's it. We went there, and now we're here. I expect that it's going to help us to create a lot in coping with our child and bringing help like any other child.
The workshop is trying with the child. We're doing the best with him, with the girl, but for me, like, nothing really not changing, because it's one time a week I care on her, but I just try to do the same therapies home, like exercise or rub her up and stuff.
The workshop is a collaborative effort between the Ministry of Public Health and the Guyana Physiotherapy Association in observance of World Physical Therapy Day. This will be observed on Saturday, September 8th. For InfoHub, Anara Khan.